Yeah, I also passed down my RAM sticks. Don't worry. Out of RAM, you can have my RAM sticks. These... Look at my droves of RAM sticks. These used to be... cheap. RAM is free to download? Yeah, guys. What do you mean that the RAM prices are too high? Just go to freeram.com. For legal purposes, this is a joke. Do not download things on freeram.com. Gigi Murin is lying to you. On behalf of Hololive, Gigi Murin is spouting lies right now. For legal purposes, this is a joke, Joe Dantes. Yeah. Don't download it! Stop downloading! Don't download free RAM. If you go to freeram.com, someone calls you on your phone and goes that you have to... They tell you that your dog is dying and your dog is very sick and you must go to Target because this is the only way to cure your dog, and you must head over to Target and buy $5,000 worth of gift cards and send it to them, and your dog will be magically fixed. This is what happens if you download free RAM.
Ciao ora! Bye!